Hello Dnation and welcome back to yet another unbox and review episode. Today we're going to be reviewing the BMW S1000RR and we're going to be taking a look at the 1/18th and the 1/12th scale licensed diecast replica motorcycles manufactured by Maisto. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. Well, in today's episode, I want to save you the trouble of running through the entire process of unboxing these beautiful diecast motorcycles. And so for a change, I went ahead and pulled up one of a recently popular diecast motorcycle that was requested by one of Dnation's subscribers. So let's go ahead and take a look at these awesome replicas. Now as we know what these amazing replicas look like, and with this out of the way, let's go ahead and look a bit further into these well-detailed licensed diecast motorcycle replicas. To begin with, these models are the licensed diecast motorcycle replicas of the BMW S1000RR Standard and the Green Limited Edition variations, which are one of the most popular motorcycles in the world as of date. And these are premium and well-detailed motorcycle replicas and have a good build quality to them and quite a bit of intricate details to them as well. And these models are manufactured mostly of diecast and a few components with premium ABS plastic. And what I like the most about these models are even the signature branding and the finishing is replicated to the T. And these features make these licensed models premium looking like its life-size counterpart. And this superbike has made its way into the history books for the BMW line of motorcycles and comes in two scale size replicas. This premium 1/12 scale model is a standard edition with BMW trademark colors and brandings and measures in at 7 inches in length, 4 inches in height, 2.8 inches in width and weighs in at about 163 grams. And this is the premium 1/18 scale replica, which is the limited green edition variation and measures in at 4.8 inches in length, 2.8 inches in height, 1.8 inches in width and weighs in at about 110 grams. And these models come with spot-on paint apps and signature BMW branding details and have free rolling wheels, excellent suspension, a kickstand and a lot more details that make these a premium collectible. And with these licensed models you're guaranteed a replica which is built to last and will warm the hearts of any diecast motorcycle collector or hobbyist. And so with that being said, now let's place these licensed replicas on the Dnation dyno and check out their wheel spin and functionality. And kindly find further features and specifications regarding these premium diecast models in the description below. Well, everything seems to be spot on and up to my expectations with these premium diecast models. And as you can see, the wheel spin on these diecast replicas are equivalently as fast as the real deal, and these get a massive thumbs up from me. So with that being said, let's place these diecast motorcycles on the Dnation turntable and take a look at these beauties in a 360-degree view. And here are a few fun facts. BMW's motorcycle history began in 1921 when the company commenced manufacturing engines for other companies. BMW's own motorcycles sold under the BMW Motorrad brand began in 1923 with the BMW R32, which was powered by a flat twin engine, also called a boxer twin engine. Production of motorcycles with flat twin engines continued till this day. However, BMW also produced many models with other types of engines. At the end of World War I, the Treaty of Versailles demanded that BMW cease production of aircraft engines. And to remain in business, the company began producing small industrial engines. In 1920, the BMW M2B15 flat twin petrol engine was released. Despite being designed as a portable industrial engine, the M2B15 was also used by several motorcycle manufacturers, including for the 1920 to 1923 Victorian KR1 and the 1920 to 1922 Helios motorcycles. And for further information on BMW motorcycles, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones any one of these diecast motorcycles, I dropped the Best Buy link in the description below. So go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested, and please do let me know in the comments below as to which one of these variations would you prefer. Well, thank you for tuning into Dnation, and stay tuned for a lot more new and exciting episodes coming up. And this brings us to the end of this amazing unbox and review episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumbs up and share it, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button if this is your first time here, and also don't forget to click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. And if you care to share your views and thoughts on this episode, please do drop your comments below, and stay tuned for a lot more exciting episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.